guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study chapter 8 Physics Motion Part 2. So let's begin. First of all, we'll see what is velocity. So the velocity is something when displacement is covered by a body in a given time. तो इस एग्जाम्पल में हमें दिखा रखा है a car is moving at a speed of 60 km per hour in east direction. तो इसमें हमें वर्ड दे रखा है स्पीड और इन ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, तो आपको लग रहा होगा दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्पीड, बट नो, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ वेलोसिटी. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें स्पीड प्लस एक डायरेक्शन स्पेसिफाई की गई है. तो जहाँ पर वर्ड स्पीड दिया हो और एक किसी भी डायरेक्शन को स्पेसिफाई कर दिया गया हो वहाँ पर वेलोसिटी होता है. अब जैसे आप वेलोसिटी की डेफिनेशन ये भी लिख सकते हैं, डिस्टेंस कवर बाय अ बॉडी इन अ यूनिट टाइम इन पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. तो इसमें डिस्टेंस और पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन वर्ड ऐड करने से दैट इज वेलोसिटी. सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Now we'll study types of velocity. First of all, uniform. So here you can see the train is moving at a uniform rate as it covers 5 km in 15 minutes, next 5 km in 15 minutes, and next 5 km in next 15 minutes. So it is moving with a constant rate, that is 15 km in 15 minutes. So this is uniform velocity. If we talk about non-uniform velocity, it is described as a car is covering 5 meter in 5 minutes, next 5 meters in 10 minutes, next 5 meters in 20 minutes, and the fourth 5 meters in 50 minutes. So the car is traveling with equal interval of distance in unequal time. So it is non-uniform velocity. Now, if we want to describe average velocity, it can be defined as the total distance covered by a body divided by the total time taken. So, if we see example, here the train covers 15 km in first 15 minutes, next 5 km in next 15 minutes, and then 25 kilometers in next 15 minutes. If we want to find average velocity, so it is the total distance divided by total time. So 45 kilometers is the total distance and the total time is 45 minutes. तो अगर हमें एवरेज वेलोसिटी निकालनी है तो हमारी या तो मीटर पर सेकंड में आएगी या किलोमीटर पर आवर में आएगी. तो यहाँ पे हमें किलोमीटर दे रखा है और टाइम हमारा मिनट्स में है, तो मिनट्स को हमें कन्वर्ट करना होगा आवर में. तो 45 minutes into hour is 3 by 4 hours. So here in this case we'll divide 45 kilometers by 3 upon 4. So it is the average velocity. Now the acceleration comes. What is acceleration? It is the rate of change of velocity in a particular period of time. It can be calculated as by subtracting initial velocity from final velocity divided by the time taken by the object. So A equals to V minus U by T. Here V represents the final velocity, U represents the initial velocity, T represents the time, and A represents the acceleration. Now the last topic comes is uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion is something when an object moves in a circular path with uniform speeds. Its motion is said to be in uniform circular motion then. It is also called accelerated motion as the speed of moving object remains constant but the direction of moving object changes continuously. See here the direction of moving object, it's changing at every point. So Here you can see the direction is changing at every instant. So it was the uniform circular motion which was the last topic of this chapter. So with this we have finished our today's topic, and the link of first part of this chapter is given in the description box. Please check it from there and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.